Hi, welcome to MarineMax Maryland. I'm John O'Donnell, and today I want to take you through a 2024 Sea Ray SDX 250 Outboard. Gorgeous boat here. Back here on the stern, we have a 300 horse Mercury Verado in black. Really great amount of power. It's the top engine you can have on the 250 SDX Outboard. We have sea deck across on the swim platform here. And as you can see, it's a wide swim platform and great for your water sport activities and everything because there's a lot of room here. You've got a USB-C and USB-A charging, and you've got a 12-volt accessory port to plug in an air compressor to pump up your water toys when you're out here on the water. This seat back here, this is kind of neat. So right now, this seat is set for cockpit seating and facing forward. You can also take this seat and just pull it back like this, and now you're facing aft as well, which is neat if you got some folks swimming, some kids swimming off the stern or something like that. What's also neat is right now it's set in its after position, sliding, and I'll show you how you can move this now to even get even more room back here on the fantail. So I'm just going to reach over here, a little switch right here. I'm going to pull this, and I'm just going to roll this whole assembly like that. And now it's locked into position here, and you've got even more room back here for entertaining and playing back on the stern on your swim platform. And there's an insulated cooler box under here that gets exposed when you roll this seat forward. So rolling the seat back to get more room in the cockpit, just one quick little pull, and there she goes, and now we're back in the cockpit. In the cockpit, got a really nice setup here. You've got your battery switches easily accessible right in here, right behind this little panel right here, so just really nice and easy to get to. Got a little flip door closed, so you got little small pets or kids, a little flip door to keep it. Got a secondary station here for your Fusion stereo control, and it is Bluetooth capable, so you stream off of your phone. You got a nice little storage compartment underneath here, and it's a shelved storage area, so and it's self-draining and insulated, so you can put cold items in there as well if you like. Seating throughout, this about a 9 to 10 foot section along here, that's accessible from back aft, and so you can put water skis and long water sport toys all along underneath here. The whole thing is about 9 or 10 foot long, which is great. Beautiful teak cockpit table goes right here, and it's a leaf cockpit table. Looks really sharp. The teak just pops. It looks super nice, and that's a nice little area again for sitting around here in the cockpit and doing your entertainment. You've got your sport tower with the attached bimini top. The sport tower has an attachment up top, and that is for your water sport attachment for skiing, towing, tubing, and all of those types of activities. Down below here, nice deep storage area where your cockpit table gets stored, and you kind of call it the water ski storage down there as well, but nice deep, long storage area. Here in the command center, you've got your 12-inch, upgraded 12-inch Simrad display here. Just absolutely gorgeous, very stunning clarity and detail on there. It's their new NSX operating system, so it's just super duper. You also will have all your Mercury information on here, fuel, water levels, everything on board here, temperatures and speeds and everything. All touchscreen, just super nice. Your dash, here's your main control head for your Fusion stereo, Bluetooth capable, and Sirius XM ready. So you can stream off your phone if you're listening to Spotify or whatever on your phone as well. Standard switching across here, all the way across, another 12-volt accessory. We do have Mercury active trim on here, so you can have automatic active trim on there, or alternatively, you can just massage there by yourself, if you want. Your co-pilot seat is sitting right now for facing forward, but if you want, you can then go ahead and just take this, similar to the one back aft, take this, roll this forward, and now you've got an entertaining area. And then the same thing can happen over here if you drop the captain's bolster and then you pull the captain's seat forward. Now, if you're not underway, you have just this huge entertaining area here with your teak cockpit table. It would just look super nice. Really great for taking care of friends and having a great time on the water with family, making memories with family and friends. Down below here, great little cabin. It's like a little cuddy cabin. Notice we have a port pass-through here on this SDX 250 line. And down below here we have a nice porta potty with a little cuddy cabin down there. So it has the upgrade down there, which has the cushions, and there's a little porthole, opening porthole up forward for ventilation. The porta potty right there, cushions around, there's netting so it'll hold gear in there if you drop gear down in there and you want to keep it steady and safe. And this panel over here to port unsnaps from here, lays down across, covers the porta potty, and gives you even more area to sit down and relax down there. We want to move up forward. Check out the bow seating area on this SDX 250 outboard. So a nice walkthrough. Of course, you've got your windshield that's popped open now. You got a nice windbreak door that I also have open here. But I'm just going to come on up here. Up here in the bow section, you got a nice little cooler storage area here, a little netting that goes across there and keeps that gear up tucked in nice and tight. We also have a bow filler cushion. So some fiberglass panels go across here and then cushions sit on top. So this whole area here becomes a nice seating area. Got plenty of cup holders up here and also another one of the USB-C and USB-A charging and a separate stereo zone up here. You also have your anchor locker and of course every boat that comes from MarineMax, well, you'll get your anchor and anchor rod included, and also your Go Boating kit, which includes your fenders, life jackets, mooring lines, and all your Coast Guard required equipment. But this is the 2024 Sea Ray SDX 250 outboard. We'd love for you all to come on down to MarineMax, Maryland and take a look. I look forward to meeting you all. Thank you.